Hello guys, I am Vishali Kikanfer and we are discussing chemistry. So this is the chapter solution and their reaction, and we are going to discuss a sample problem on this chapter. So let's start with the sample problem itself. The sample problem states a technician dissolves 17.1 gram of aluminium sulfate. What is aluminium sulfate? It is Al2SO43 to prepare 250 ml of solution. What are the amount of concentration of aluminium ion, that is Al3 positive ions, and the sulfate ions, which is SO4 2 negative ions in the solution. So first of all, we are given with the volume. We are going to convert this volume from ml to liter, right? We know the conversion factor for converting the volume from ml to liter. The conversion factor is 1 liter upon 1000 ml. We are going to multiply with this conversion factor. So the given volume of Al2SO43 was 250 ml. We are going to multiply it with the conversion factor 1 liter upon 1000 ml to get 0.2500 liter, right? So now I know the volume of Al2SO4, that is Al2SO43, which is aluminium sulfate in liter. Now second thing that I need is the number of moles of Al2SO43 to find out the concentration. We need to find out the concentration of aluminium ions and the sulfate ion. For that we need to first find out the concentration of aluminium sulfate. For the concentration, I require volume and the number of moles or amount of aluminium sulfate. So number of moles can be calculated with the given mass upon molar mass, right? So here we have the molecular mass of Al2SO43. We know the molar mass of aluminium, sulfur, oxygen, and with the help of the molar masses we can calculate the molecular mass of Al2SO43. Right, we know how to calculate that. Given mass of Al2SO43 is 17.1 gram, so we multiply 17.1 gram with 1 mole divided by 342.14 gram. Or what we are doing? We are dividing the given mass with the molecular mass, which is 342.14 gram per mole. So from here we calculated the number of moles to be 0.0500 moles. Now this is the number of moles of Al2SO43. Now coming to the reaction. Here in the reaction we have Al2SO43, which is in the solid state. It is going to give me 2Al3 positive in the aqueous state and 3SO4 negative in the aqueous state, right? And now I need to find out the concentration of Al3 positive and the concentration of SO4 negative, and for that first of all I need to find out the concentration of Al2SO43. The concentration of Al2SO43 will be number of moles of Al2SO43 divided by the volume of Al2SO43. Both of them we have calculated. The number of moles of Al2SO43 would be 0.0500, volume would be 0.250 liters. So the concentration of Al2SO43 would be 0.200 mole per liter. Right, now I know this concentration 0.200 mole per liter. I need to know this concentration and this concentration, that I can now find out. So concentration of Al3 positive, we can see the coefficients over here. The coefficient with Al3 positive is 2. The coefficient with Al2SO43 is 1. So the concentration of Al2SO43 is 0.200 mole per liter of Al2SO43, which is multiplied with 2, which is the coefficient over here, divided by 1. So 2 mole of Al3 positive divided by 1 mole of, here the coefficient is 1 mole of Al2SO43. So mole of Al2SO43 is going to get cancelled out, and we are left with 0.200 multiplied with 2 mole of Al3 positive divided by liter. So 0.400 mole per liter is the concentration of aluminium ion, right? Similarly we can find out the concentration of sulfate ion, 0.200 mole of Al2SO43 multiplied with 3 mole of SO4 negative, because here we have the coefficient 1, divided by 1 mole of Al2SO43. So 1 mole Al2SO43 is getting cancelled out with mole of Al2SO43, and we are going to get 0.200 multiplied with 3, which is 0.600 mole per liter, right? So here we have the liter as well. So in this manner we can find out the concentration of Al3 positive and the sulfate ion. So I hope you understood this question. Let's meet in the next video with the next chapter. Thank you so much.